Good morning, y'all. Well, I decided to take a walk out here to the garden just to see what's up. Now, those are the collard greens over there, and there's some here. And I left them in on purpose to see how they would do throughout the entire winter. I don't know if the snow is going to insulate the collards from the extreme cold we've had. I just don't know. So it's an experiment. But we're supposed to get another, I think, up to 15 inches of snow by next Thursday. So we'll see. I'm about tired of all this snow. I'm ready for spring, and I'm ready to get things planted. Well, that's going to do it for this one. I just wanted to come out here real quick and check, see how things are going. And we'll see you on the next one. If you're not subscribed to Pennington's Garden Life, come on over and subscribe. We're good people. Have a blessed day.